Okay, so now natural gas is also used in the manufacturing of various chemicals and fertilizers. You know about fertilizers. What are fertilizers? They are the chemicals which increase the soil fertility by providing plant nutrients, necessary plant nutrients. So natural gas is also used in the manufacturing of various chemicals and fertilizers. So as we know that there are different reserves, means the reserves where natural gas is found in India. These are namely Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Krishna Godavari Delta in Andhra Pradesh. I repeat, various reserves for natural gas. Reserves means the places where natural gas is found below the earth surface in abundant amount, in large amounts, is Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Krishna Godavari Delta in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so let me give you a small activity. Take a map of India. Okay, take a political map of India and mark the natural gases reserves in the states where they are found. Okay, so this is an activity for you. You all have to do it. Okay, now moving forward. So as we are learning about various natural resources, in the beginning of the chapter I told you about that natural resources are of two types, exhaustible and inexhaustible. Exhaustible means which are likely to get finished, likely to get exhaust, means with the period of time by usage they will get completely used up or they will get finished. So fossil fuels, the natural resources which are fossil fuels, are limited. They are present in limited amount in the nature. Okay, they are present in limited amount. What does that mean? That if we keep on using them without appropriate use, without thinking for the future generation, then these resources will get finished. Okay, and also you have learned that when coal and petroleum is burnt, they release harmful gases and causes air pollution. Okay, when coal and petroleum is burnt, carbon monoxide is released in the atmosphere which causes air pollution. And along with that, there is a crisis called global warming. Means the temperature of the earth is rising day by day by excess amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. So this is called global warming. So this is also happening by burning of fossil fuels, coal and petroleum. So we need to stop and think that how we can manage, how we can properly use these fossil fuels. Because if we keep on using them, then one time will come, they will get finished. Okay, so we have to keep those fossil fuels, these natural resources, for the future generation also. So we have to use them in a very appropriate manner, in a very regular manner, only use them whenever necessary. So this will help the future generation to get these natural resources, as these resources take millions of years for their formation, as we have learned in the formation of coal and petroleum. So if we keep on using them, then what will happen? They will get finished. So we need to use them in a proper manner and make it available for the future generation. Got it? Now there is a organization called PCRA. PCRA means Petroleum Conservation Research Association. Petroleum Conservation Research Association. This is an organization in India which is keeping a record, which is taking measures to conserve petroleum as a natural resource and making it available for the future generation also. So there are some tips and advices given by PCRA so that we can use petroleum in proper manner. The first one is drive at a constant and moderate speed. Drive at a constant and moderate speed means the speed of the vehicles should not be exceeding. We should drive on a constant speed. Like if you increase the accelerator, if you increase the speed, then what will happen? More fuel will get used up, and which will lead to more consumption of the fuel in the vehicle. Okay, the next is switch off the engine at traffic lights or at places where you have to wait. Means if you are standing on a signal on a vehicle, so you are seeing the numbers that count down, like if there is a 30-second wait at the traffic signal, so what you can do, you can switch off the engine and save the fuel. Okay, the next one is the tire pressure. The vehicle tire pressure should be correct. If the pressure is more or less, so it will definitely affect the performance, fuel consumption in the vehicle. So the tire pressure should be correct. The next one, the next advice is that proper and regular maintenance of the vehicle. You get your bikes, cars serviced from the service station. So what is that service? It ensures that the vehicle consumes less fuel and becomes more efficient. Means it runs more efficiently. So the vehicles should be maintained regularly. They should get service regularly. So these are some advice given by PCRA. PCRA is Petroleum Conservation Research Association. So you should follow that, and we should, on our behalf, we should take proper measures to conserve coal and petroleum and save the earth from pollution, and also make them available for the future generation. Thank you.